Alrighty, coat number 2. Using Dupa Color, perfect match. Cardinal Red paint, E4 paint code for this Ford Ranger, 1998. Rocker panel repair, passenger side. This is the second coat. This stuff comes out pretty dang strong here. So I'm just doing a quick coat all the way down. Just like that. I'm taking it slow and easy. Yep. Wind. Watched it. Alright. Alrighty, well, that'd be the second coat. A little bit of runs here and there, but I'm alright with that. I had wind coming this way. I'm trying to just do that overlap that I've been working on, but it's alright. Anyway, I'll show you what we got. So starting down here, coming up in there, coming down the top, still a second little bit lighter coat, a little bit heavier, coming down through there, coming right to there, getting progressively heavier. Right there, yeah. Coming down, and right there. Alrighty. So it's Ford Ranger 1998, 4-wheel drive, the manual transmission, second coat, base coat, using Cardinal Red paint. This is Ablecraft. If I can do it, you guys can do it better. See you on the third coat.